To purchase US stops on the Moomoo app, start by opening the application and logging into your account. From the bottom view screen, select the Markets option, which will take you to a new screen where you can choose the US option from the top bar. This will display all available US stops related to the app. You can select any stop from this list or use the search icon at the top to find a specific one. Once you've found the desired stop, click on it to view its pricing. To buy, click the Trade button at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Buy option. Enter your prototype and the quantity you want to purchase. Then click the Buy button. You will be prompted to enter your Moomoo password to complete the transaction. After entering your password, your stop will be purchased. The process is quick and easy to follow, allowing you to easily buy US stops on the Moomoo app.